Hello, it's TechHealFo, and today I'm going to open up my Black Friday Oldo. I may need some scissors. I'll be back with some scissors. Okay, can't find scissors, except for the kitchen shears if you count those. Anyways, this had no Black Friday special or anything, but I bought two of these, one for me, one for my younger brother, and yeah, these are Bluetooth adapters because our computers doesn't have built-in Bluetooth. It's Dell Optiplex. Well, mine is. His is similar to a Dell Optiplex, but it's not. It's a Gateway from 2009. I forgot the exact model number, but these were around $5 each, which is pretty cheap. Yeah, this is gonna be my last video because the commercially viable crap. Now look, my servo's up. I knocked my servo away because I forgot to move the mouse. Oh boy. Okay, just like this one, I'm gonna wait and see. This is what it contains. Bum, 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 bum. I'm gonna have that in video because I have butterfingers and misclicked the power button on my clicking phone. 4 terabyte external hard drive. Yes, it's a hard drive, and it's external, but it's 4 terabytes for 75 freaking bucks. Oh, I could have gotten the $8 one for 5 terabytes, but yeah, it's a bit low in cash. And this is actually the biggest one I was waiting for, because I'm almost out of storage on my second hard drive that I use to store my games, my recordings, my downloads, which I have to sort by type. It's so large. And yeah, this is gonna help expand that. I'm being low. I only have like 150 gigabytes, and I moved that mouse again. Stinking mouse. Squeak, squeak. And the final one is this thing for my younger brother, because I forgot when I gave him his computer, I forgot to give him a Wi-Fi chip. This will fix that. Now, the final one, I'm going to pause this because I gotta have clear this all out and stuff. But yeah, this is my final video because the commercially viable bull crap that they're putting out. Anyways, I'm going to pause the recording and go on. Finally, bum 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 bum. This thing for $60. 20-inch 75 hertz monitor. That's 900p, at least that's what it said on the page on Amazon. That's 2 HDMI ports. So, do not hit that subscribe button. Dislike the video, and see you never here on YouTube, but maybe over to my other social medias. Maybe over there. Oh wait, down there. That's the description. My bad. I have no idea what I'm doing. Bye bye.